Mandre College of Commerce, Economics and Management. This college was started in 2012. To be precise, on 30th of July 2012. After it obtained approval of the Goa government and affiliation of the Goa University. I must record that this approval and NOC to start this college was given when Mr. Manohar Parrikar was the Chief Minister and Minister for Education of Goa. Though late in the day, the college was started. We went through the entire one-year course and applied for the second year affiliation of Goa University. This affiliation was also granted to us by the Goa University. Nothing at the moment. Nothing. This is an interim order. This is an interim order. Next, see, now the government and the university has to file the reply. Today they appeared. University was represented today through their council. Government also was represented through their council. So all parties, three parties were there. But they will have to now file their affidavits, file their reply to our petition.
When is the next hearing?
Sometime in June now.
या परिस्थितीत आता थेटे भुरगे सगळे प्रवेश घेतले.
हय, प्रवेश घेतले आमी.
शाळेले अर्ज बी आहे.
आता गेले 15 दीस झाले भुरगे येऊन चालले नाही.
म्हणजे कोर्टान तुमका अनुदान सुरू करचे म्हणून दिला.
ना अजून अनुदानाचा प्रश्न आता ना. आता फक्त ऍडमिशनचा प्रश्न असा.
घ्या म्हटलं.
तुम्ही चलयता कशें अनुदान नासतना?
अनुदान नसताना आम्ही तुमच्यासारखे बरे लोक असत नाही. आज मांद्रे मतदारसंघातल्या पेडणे तालुक्यातल्या गोव्याचो प्रत्येक मनीस सांगता की ताणे शिक्षणाकडे असो वावर करपाक जाय नासलो. So he has affected the prospects of his political party, not only of his own candidature as for MLA from Mandre, but the prestige of his party today is at stake in whole of Goa because of this attitude of the Chief Minister. Also, मनीस जर मांद्रेन काम करू शकता तर गोंयांत वाटे कितें करतलो? Of course, they are known for their U-turns.